Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will create and animate this handwriting easily and step by step, as always in this channel. With Curve, you can make anything you want. I will give you some tips to make it easy. So let's get started. First, we select the light and the cube. Right click, delete. Now go here in curve. We will choose in busy curve. Go in edit mode. Right click, dissolve vertex. Dissolve vertex. Now go here in draw. For the moment, I just draw for a test. Go here in curve, in geometry, in the depth, we give it some depth. That's help for drawing. It's a little tips that I found. Now we can draw our text. As I see, you can draw anything you want. Take your time. It's not easy to have a better result in the first test. Okay, now I decrease the depth. Maybe if you want, we can extrude the text just a little. If you want to make a little change, go here and select like this O. This is hair. This U. Select this, all this, and make it bigger. I select this one. You can play with this to give it a nice text, but keep in mind that it's handwriting. It's not for me and for all. It's not will be perfect. But we'll try to give it a nice look. Now we go here in start and end my pen. decrease this to 0. Make sure that you are in frame 1 here in the timeline. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now we go here maybe to 16, and now I increase to 1 and insert a keyframe. The timeline, I decrease the number maybe to 80. Now if we play, we have this cool text, handwriting text animated. I stop this. Maybe a little heart is not good. Try to get a better result. Hold Shift and select all this. G to change the place. Oh, I think it's better like this. So I keep it like this. Now hit A to select all this. Now we go here in subdivide. We give it subdivision. Now go in object mode. I will not extrude it. I give it just a depth. Now, if we play, okay, it's good. Here, when you see the plus, up, go here in shader editor, hit N to close this window. Now we go here in the world, in color, we select just a sky texture as always. Here give it 0.2, here maybe 120, and this I give it 7. Now go here. You can make it in EV or in cycles. Go here and give it very high contrast in color management and enable this. Now if we go here in the render, now we can see our text. hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view. As hit N to close this window. Now we can zoom. Okay. But now, for me, first we will give it a color, make it metallic. The text, make it metallic, and the roughness will decrease the number maybe to, I give it 0.1. And the color, I choose the red one. Now, for me, I switch to cycles. Active a GPU if you have one. And decrease the number here to 32. And the number here, maybe I give it 100. Here, 0.1. Okay. Now, if you want to leave it just like this, it's good. Or you can add a plane. So I add a plane. S to scale the plane. G, Z down. Now you can adjust. We make it metallic and we choose maybe I select the text, I go back in the properties of the curve. I increase the depth to 0.1. Now as you can see, you have this handwriting, easy to make. You can choose any color you want. I think it's good to make it just white. We go here in the render image to see how look as our text. Okay, maybe we will change I think it's good like this. try to give it a good I leave it just like this. Now, if you want to animate this text, you go here and you choose any folder you want your animation to be in your computer. Choose here FFmpeg video and encoding, make it in MPEG 4, and here choose high quality and go here in the render and render animation, but keep in mind in cycles it's take a time, so decrease this number maybe to 50 to make the render faster. Now we go to render the image. This is the final result. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I hope that you enjoying to make this tutorial with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.